Today, we're diving into a full review of KindleMint, Amazon Kindle Publishing Assistant. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. One-click Amazon AI Assistant app. Instantly research, create and publish best-selling Kindle books without writing a single word in seconds. KindleMint is our ultimate tool for dominating Kindle publishing. Effortlessly research profitable keywords, uncover hidden categories, analyze competitors, and publish Kindle books in record time. Create fiction and non-fiction books, self-help books, business books, how-to books, comic books, kids books, puzzle books, story books, poems, Kindles, novels. Tap into the $100 billion Amazon Kindle publishing industry with KindleMint. Zero audience required. Tap into over 6 million daily active users for free. Amazon does all the hard work. Your content is automatically placed in front of 310 million of Amazon readers. No writing required. The AI does all the content creation for you without typing a single word. No experience or skills needed. Scale without limit. We publish effortlessly with KindleMint and earn passive royalties every time our content is read. Hands-free publishing. The more we publish, the more we earn. 100% free traffic, no ads, no SEO, no social media marketing. All traffic comes from Amazon's built-in audience. No hidden costs. Enjoy the freedom to profit without paying for ads, traffic, or SEO. Complete automation. Just a few clicks and KindleMint takes care of everything. No monthly fees. Pay once and keep 100% of your profits forever. No tech skills needed. Set it up in just 60 seconds, and watch as the AI publishes for you. 100% legal and ethical. No hidden fee or any extra expenses. Rest easy with our 30-day money-back guarantee. We've got you covered. I've tried countless so-called ebook creators, but KindleMint is the only one that truly helps me research profitable keywords and rank my books on Amazon. The AI-powered keyword and category research feature gave me the exact data I needed to stand out from the competition. While other tools are just glorified ebook creators, KindleMint is a complete publishing assistant that's actually helping me make easy profits. My books are ranking higher and selling faster than ever before. I was amazed at how quickly I could publish my first ebook using KindleMint. The AI-powered content creation is mind-blowing, and the seamless formatting makes my books look professional without any effort. This tool has completely transformed how I approach publishing on Amazon. Thousands of people like you are cashing in on the $100 billion Kindle publishing, KDP, industry. The question is, will you be next? The Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, platform is booming, with over 6 million active users visiting the Kindle store daily. The demand for digital content is skyrocketing. Here's why this is the perfect time to get in. But here's the catch: most people don't know how to take advantage of this opportunity. They think it requires endless hours of writing, editing, formatting, and marketing. With KindleMint, however, the game has changed. Now, AI can do all the hard work for you. Unlike other ebook creators that leave you stranded after book creation, KindleMint is a complete publishing assistant that takes care of the entire process for you. KindleMint does what no other tool can. It empowers you to effortlessly publish high-quality ebooks and build a consistent, scalable presence on Amazon KDP. In just 60 seconds, KindleMint transforms your ideas into polished, professional ebooks that are ready to hit the market. KindleMint allows you to effortlessly create high-quality books across any genre: kids books, self-help, business guides, novels, and more. All it takes is a few clicks to turn your ideas into a bestseller. KindleMint doesn't just create ebooks, it's an all-in-one AI publishing assistant that helps you dominate Amazon Kindle publishing. Instantly research profitable keywords, uncover hidden niche categories, and rank your book to reach millions of readers. KindleMint's AI engine spits out high-quality, plagiarism-free content in seconds, so you'll always have fresh, engaging material for your audience. With KindleMint's built-in cover designer, you can create stunning, professional-level book covers that catch the eye of potential readers, helping your book stand out in a crowded marketplace. What sets KindleMint apart from regular ebook creators is its advanced research tools. KindleMint scans real-time data to find the most profitable keywords and categories, ensuring your books are optimized for Amazon's rankings. KindleMint is able to write in 109 plus different languages. Looking to go global? KindleMint supports publishing in over 100 languages, allowing you to expand your reach to a worldwide audience with ease. KindleMint Global Add-on required. Whether it's Kindle, PDF, EPUB, or any other format, KindleMint handles the technical details so your books are available on Amazon KDP, Apple Books, Google Play, and more. Need traffic? KindleMint's SEO-driven content generation ensures your books are optimized for search engines like Google, making it easier for readers to find and purchase your work. KindleMint doesn't stop at creation. It's equipped to track your competitors, analyze their performance, and help you refine your content and keywords to outshine them in rankings. Instead of juggling costly subscriptions, KindleMint combines all these tools into one seamless platform, saving you thousands every year. Click the button below to get instant access to KindleMint. We're offering a limited time, one-time fee, so you don't have to worry about any monthly subscriptions. Once you're inside, the magic begins. Let the AI do the work and publish your book on Amazon. It takes less than 60 seconds, and you don't have to write a single word. The AI does all the work, from researching profitable keywords, generating the content to formatting and publishing it. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.